Alis na tayo. Aalis na? Sige, na, inside.
When you let your intrusive thoughts win.
Yeah, is this Zay?
This is?
Yeah, Zay, this is Peter Griffin here. You know, I was calling to see if you were banking my wife Lois.
Yeah, I was, definitely.
Oh wow. Oh wow, so you want to be a dirtbag right now, is that what you're doing? Huh? Hey, I do the jokes here, alright, mister? No, I'm not prank calling you. I'm asking you about my wife Lois.
Oh, jeg kämpft. Skjut mig.
Jeg klikker ned der.
Det är så här. Helt ut. Det är intressant.
Here's a video of a vintage popcorn maker. Doesn't seem to work that well though. I wonder what this gorilla is thinking about. That is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have an awesome day. Be sure to tell someone you love them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Nick a bit.